guys, we're James and Holly and welcome back to a brand new video.
So over the past 6 weeks we have been flat out renovating our house. And for a little while we've had a little trip booked in, so it's come in really nicely whilst we've been renovating the house because it's been quite...
a bit chaotic.
Chaotic, that's the word, Holly. So we are currently in Germany for a little micro trip.
And we're visiting Cologne, Düsseldorf, and we're here for GamesCom.
Just made it to Cologne Cathedral, and it always fascinates me how much detail there is on these types of buildings. So I like things to be symmetrical, and this has kind of thrown me off a little bit. I don't know if it was designed this way, but that is clearly not in the middle.
So it is also possible to go up the towers, so that's what we're going to do now. So we have to walk to the top, and there is a lot of stairs.
So every time me and Holly go to a brand new city, we always like to find new lookout points to see the city from like a different perspective. And I'm guessing when we reach the top here, we're going to be greeted with some incredible views. It just keeps going up and up.
So it turns out there's 533 steps, but it honestly felt like 1,000.
So that was honestly totally worth it. For only €5 a person, there was no time limit and you got some incredible views looking across Cologne. But I do have to say the steps were very, very narrow and my legs are properly shaking right now. Write their name and put them on locks, but I've never quite seen anything. Oh my gosh, I've never quite seen anything quite like this before. This is unbelievable. Think how heavy that has made that bridge. Extra heavy, because the bridge is probably already quite heavy.
So the main reason why we're here is because of GamesCom. Okay, so to be really honest with you, the main reason why we're here is so I can play the Final Fantasy VII Remake demo, because the original is my absolute all-time favourite game.
And one of my my favourite game franchises is Gears of War, and here they have Gears of War 5, which me and Holly just went to play. We weren't allowed to film it because the game's not out yet, but we played the new Horde mode, which was incredible. We had some really good people playing with us as well. We got to level 16, which was really, really hard, but we then had to get kicked off because we were playing so well, they had to let more people in.
Barbster360.
This is pretty awesome. We're currently walking around and exploring Düsseldorf, and we've just stumbled across this gourmet food and drink festival along the river, and there is so much here. Okay, be honest with me now, who would eat up here? This crane has a table on it with chairs, and you can eat a full meal up there. I would like to give it a go, but I know for a fact that Holly
absolutely not, and we've just noticed someone's dropped their knife.
There is a knife on the floor. Holly, have you ever seen so many bikes?
I think this is
and people
the most
in
bikes
all
I've
your life
ever seen. I don't know if there's an event on or if Düsseldorf really love bikes.
This is honestly crazy. As far as the eye can see, it's just people riding bicycles. I'm trying to work out if there's a football match on because they all seem to be in football t-shirts. But what a way to get around the city. Literally, it's just beer and bikes pretty much everywhere.
Exactly that, yeah.
So even though our trip to Germany has been super short, I have thoroughly enjoyed it, but I don't think we were prepared
I was not
for
prepared
this
for the weather.
My golly gosh, is it hot here.
It's really warm. It's actually really cold in England, so then coming here it's really warm. We're like, what do we do?
We were not prepared. It's been like over 30 degrees the whole time we've been here.
It's been lovely, don't get us
It's
wrong.
been incredible, but I feel like we've been shade hunting.
We've been going from like one cafe to another, getting shade and drinks, and that's it.
So Holly,
yeah.
our time in Germany has almost come to an end.
I know.
It's a little bit sad, but it is now quite late. It's just gone past 10 p.m.
Yep.
and we are in Düsseldorf, so I think that we should be going up the, where is it? We're going to go up there for our next high look down, top down view adventure.
Because
looking across
after
the
10
city.
p.m, after 10 p.m, it's apparently only €5 a person.
So why not?
You go so much faster.
This is so much fun.
James is going to want a scooter now.
Oh,
No skid.
How are you getting on then, Holly?
Oh, really good. Braking's hard.
So we have just rented one of these scooters. They're called Lime scooters. And you download an app and you basically scan it, and you can just ride these scooters around the city, and it's kind of expensive.
It's not cheap, but
it's not the cheapest
fun.
thing. It costs like €1 to start it, and then it's 15 cents every minute you ride it. So it can tot up quite quickly.
But fun factor is good. A little bit scary though, because we've only got one scooter between the two of us, so I was on the back.
I don't know if that's advised.
Quite scary. But good for one person on it.
But I think that is where we're gonna have to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with both me and Holly on this fun adventure to Germany.
Thank you very much.
Now we've got to get back and carry on doing the renovations to the house, Holly. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.
Morsestraße.